So I'm doing a gender reveal party on next Saturday to find out if Boo Boo's a little boy or a little girl. So right now me and Thiago are just working on creating a box because that's how we're going to do it. We're going to have like a big box and then my mom's going to help to put the balloons inside. Then we'll open it and they'll all come out. So today's project is to decorate the box. So I just wanted to kind of show you, what we're doing and how it's done. So that way if you're doing a gender reveal party and you wanted to also decorate a box but didn't really know where to start or have any direction, then you can just kind of get an idea from what we're doing. So first we got this big cardboard box. This one here, we didn't buy it. We had a friend who had one and was very kind enough to let us have it, but it's very large, about up to my waist height. Let me see if I can turn the camera and show you. So yeah, it comes up really, to my waist here. And it's just a wardrobe box. And we cut it down a little bit because it was originally like up to here. So we cut it down so that way it was just at the waist height, the height that we wanted it to be at. And then we just covered it with paper. So all the materials that we got were from Michael's. So we got black paper. They had silver and other colors if you wanted to do a different one, gold or whatever you want. So we just kind of covered all the sides here, and we're going to use this as our front side, so the other sides aren't quite as pretty, there's tape on them and stuff. We're not master DIYers, but we wanted to, for the picture, make sure that this side was covered black, and then this, so when you open it up, it's not all cardboard there, and then we ran out of paper in the back, so it's a little ugly back there, but that's okay. And then what I'm going to write on the front here is Boo Boo, what are you? Because that's what we've been calling the little babies, Boo Boo. So first I picked up just some paper here, like the fancy paper that you can get. I think it was like 49 cents each. And then traced it. So I got these letters here. For Boo Boo, it's only 2 letters, which was easy. So I just got these wooden ones and then just put them, on the paper. And then traced it and then cut it out. So I did one that's kind of a mint green, more for like a boy. Here you can see. And then I did a pink one for the girls. And I'm still working on it right now. So this is kind of what it looked like after I traced it. And then for the what are you part, I have these stencils here. And then just some white paint. So we'll spell out what are you. I needed to make sure it was going to be small enough to fit on the box because these already are pretty large. They take up a lot of room. So that's what we're doing now. And then Thiago's working on some circles. And what we used was a cup. Can you hand me the cup? Thanks. So I just took like a cup from the kitchen and then had him do little circles, like some ones with the base and then some with the top for the bigger circles. So nice and simple and easy. And then this is what they are on the front, is these cute little hearts here. So then we'll use that to decorate it around, the words. And I just picked up a hot glue gun and some glue. And I think that's really all we're doing. So not too hard, but I'll kind of keep you posted as we go and then show you what the finished result looks like. Hopefully it's good. It's our first time doing it, so. All right, so this is the finished product here. Boo Boo, what are you? So I think it came out cute. I'm happy with it. And then on the side, I just did the little heart polka dots here. And then I did the same thing on the other side. Like that. So it's kind of simple, but, you know, I think it's perfect for what we want. And then the balloons will come out here. And then we'll know. Either way would be awesome. Both boys and girls have their own special little things about them that make them great. Well, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos that I post every Wednesday and Friday with lifestyle tips to help you live a healthier and better and just happier life. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.